I'm not too proud of having my name associated with some of my restaurants. I'm against retiring. The thing that keeps a man alive is having something to do. Sitting in a rocker never appealed to me. Golf or fishing isn't as much fun as working. My life is devoted to business and supporting my family. Don't be against things so much as for things. A lot of learned men think people really are the food they've eaten. No hours, nor amount of labor, nor amount of money would deter me from giving the best that there was in me. I don't fear that a man will wear out as quickly as he will rust out. There's no reason to be the richest man in the cemetery. You can't do any business from there. My life isn't over and I'm not going to sit in a rocking chair and take money from the government. One has to remember that every failure can be a stepping stone to something better. People are just like farm equipment. They rust out quicker than they wear out. There is no reason to be the richest man in the cemetery. You can't do any business from there. Thanks for watching. God bless you.